Hey guys, and welcome to another video. If you are new here, thank you for joining us. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. So let me ask you this. Have you ever seen a blue fern in real life? Now, let me tell you, you'll be able to at the Succulent Source TT because guess what? She has now opened a branch in Aranguez. So this video is going to be a tour of her new space. I'm going to show you exactly how to get there and you can go see this blue oil fern. And let me not spoil the video. There are quite a number of unicorn plants in her space now for foliage freaks like me. There is something for you, and well, for your succulent and cacti hobbyists, trust me, you're gonna can't make up your mind when you see what she has to offer. So join me today as we tour her space, and please like and subscribe, comment below. Let's get started. For y'all who are new to the Succulent Source TT, let me give you a quick intro. They are on Instagram if you want to go peek their profile, and their website link is active. I actually purchased the blue oil fern via their website. It was a seamless process. Customer service was on point in terms of tracking the package and being able to provide a care regime and tips as this fern was new to me. Communication was on point throughout the entire process, which I think is essential when shopping online. But even better now, and the point of this whole video is that we could now see everything live in her space. I am so excited to not delay any further to show you what exactly was there, what attracted me to the space, how to access the space, as well as how to get in touch with her. So besides the Instagram profile, I'm going to put all her information in the description. That's her number, her location, anything else that I think would be necessary for you guys to find her. I'm going to put it all in the description. So be sure to check there for additional information. Okay, so let me not waste any more time. This is me heading west on the Churchill Roosevelt Highway in the vicinity of Grand Bazaar. I had already passed Grand Bazaar, and where we're heading is to Aranguez. Now, the Succulent Source TT is located on the Home and Garden Creations Limited compound. So on the left here, you would see Aranguez Nurseries. We're going to veer off onto that exit, just like this, and Home and Garden is just to your right. So we're going to continue heading south now and pull into the Home and Garden compound, and this is where the Succulent Source TT has now set up shop. So the parking, as you would see, can accommodate 6 to 7 cars, meaning it is pretty roomy and spacious, so you don't have to worry about any driving difficulty. So this is the parking area. I'm just going to pull in. Once you've parked, on the northern side of the compound is where you can access her space. So you're going to pass through these tents where all the pavers and soil amendments are, and you're going to come to this massive plant shop to the back. This space also has so many different plants to look at, indoor and outdoor plants. A really wide variety. On the left, down this side, is where you'll find the succulent source. Upon entry, there are a number of man-made ponds or water features with really, really pretty moments. So much to see, so much to experience as you're entering. It's a real vibe, I would say. So much distractions. Here's a Pharaoh's mask growing beautifully. You know, that's one that I'm struggling with. So as you continue west, you're going to access her well curated space. I'm just going to shut up and let you all just take it in for a minute. It is the cutest, most anticipated space, in my opinion. Anyway, I have been waiting to be able to access her offering for forever, primarily because she started including AROIDS in her offering. So For me, as a foliage collector, I now am so happy to have another spot to check for plants. What I should really say is plants that are not on my radar, she brings, and all of a sudden they become wishlist plants. So her taste and her offering is parallel to mine, which I could really appreciate, especially during these times where there aren't really much spots for me to shop per se. What I'm gonna do is just run some tunes for y'all to take a look at the spread. And in the end, I will select my favorites from the space, and hopefully that will give you guys a good idea of what to expect until you actually get to visit yourself. The most captivating plant in the entire space for me was the Ficus petularis. This was the first time I was seeing it in real. I have only seen internet images or images on social media from other hobbyists, and let me tell you, in person, it is quite blue. It is super blue. I didn't think it was that blue. I thought it was a little more blue-green, but it is a true blue with pink veins. That's the crazy part. Now, I knew the network of veins was a quite intricate one, but I didn't think it was going to be that pink. It is crazy pink. It is definitely a wish list plant for me now. I can't get over how vibrant the colors were and just how structured the plant is too. It's kind of bonsai in that it's not a bushy plant, it's more structured. It's available for 300. Another unicorn plant in this space was the variegated billy. This was the first time I have seen one in real, and the variegation was quite balanced, and it was a pretty good size plant. It really was a showpiece in the space, considering the size of it, and the petioles are really quite orange. She also had a variety of these cacti that came in a bunch of different rainbow colors. It was so captivating to watch. It really caught me off guard just to see how many different colors was being expressed in each one. This was another fave in this space. I thought it was so fitting for Christmas time as it's a pine. The blue color, of course, is what took my breath away. So it is a small plant. I really find it to be a unique one. I had never seen it before. Again, obvious taste is really one that attracts me as a customer. So I'm hoping you'll love it too. And that wraps up this saw. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope the information was well received. Of course, if you have any questions, just comment below or message me on Instagram. I will be more than willing to chat with you guys. Also, don't forget, all the information regarding the shop location is in the description. Here's a little bonus. Every April, the Succulent Source has a sale, so there are things to look out for. Okay, I'm going to leave you. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I will see you in the next one.